Connections. This advanced tool enables the creation and management of connections between elements in the model. Intelligent relationships are generated automatically, and their consistency is maintained throughout the project. It is an indispensable solution for producing installation schemes, connection diagrams, and visualizations of system dependencies. Modeling of complex installations is significantly accelerated. Manual drawing of connections becomes unnecessary. Now let's see how the Connections tool works in practice. Select the line that will be used to draw connections between the chosen elements. Let's start. Indicate the first element and then the next one. The first click gives us a straight line between the elements. Each subsequent click on the same element generates an orthogonal line. Let's connect all elements visible on the screen, paying attention to the intelligent line routing options. Notice how smoothly this process runs. We have a total of 19 precisely connected elements here. And now we have the final elements to connect. Pressing the Escape key ends the program. We see a summary showing that 18 lines were drawn. And here is the result. All drawn lines are interconnected.